Hey, what's up guys, your boy Shaky. So I found this video posted by Dave Nick.
You can just copy and paste these YouTube shorts and you don't even have to show your face and you don't even have to film them in order to make thousands of dollars every single month with the brand new YouTube shorts monetization method.
And so guys, stick with me to the very end of the video because I'm going to be explaining and implementing every step stated by Dave Nick in this video.
So first of all, I want to show you some of the successful examples. The first one is called a viral blog, and what they're actually doing is they're just reposting someone else's content from TikTok. So as you can see, every single video is literally just a re-upload from TikTok. This video was made by this username, so they're just crediting the owner of the video in the title that they post. And they've been doing that for like a year, and they've already gotten 1 million subscribers.
And so guys, the first thing he did was to show us some pretty good examples of people implementing the strategies we're about to show us and the massive result they are getting.
So in less than a year, they went from 0 to over 1 million subscribers on YouTube without showing their face and without creating any video. Another great example right here is called a viral TikTok, and they're also posting someone else's TikToks. They're literally just taking someone's TikTok video, they upload it to YouTube, they're getting hundreds of millions of views, and they're making a lot of money, not just from the YouTube Shorts fund, but they are also using the new monetization method, which I'm about to share with you.
So guys, enough of the examples and let's get started on the steps.
And you see, the reason this monetization method sucks, the YouTube Shorts fund, which is a 100 million Shorts fund, is because in order to just rely on ad revenue from those YouTube Shorts, you would need to like get around 600 million views a month in order to make $10,000.
So sorry guys, before the step, I think this is one of the important tips you should know about YouTube Short monetization and why I think Dave Nick new strategy is better.
That's why we have a way better way to actually make money from YouTube Shorts, and I'm gonna share that with you in a minute. And this entire process takes like what, 20 seconds. Like step number 1, go to TikTok, copy the link, go to this tool, paste the link, and download the video. Like it takes literally less than 10 seconds, and then you can just do it again and again until you start getting some crazy views, and that doesn't take too much. Like you just need to start posting as much content as you possibly can, and after some time you can end up getting a lot of views.
So guys, there we have it. That's the 3 steps we are going to be practicing today. The first step is to go to TikTok, get some video we are going to upload. The second step is to go to Snapchat, where we are going to be downloading the video we have selected, and the third step is to go to YouTube and upload the video as many times as you can. And also guys, if you have not created a YouTube channel, you first have to create a channel before you can implement this. And guys, I want you to focus mainly on the entertainment niche, because just like you can see, viral blogs, they are focused on the entertainment niche, and so they could get many offers, unlike the technology niche and other niches you want to try out. So the entertainment niche is so broad, it allows you to try many offers, many affiliate offers and many promotion offers. So guys, just like I said, I'm not just going to be explaining what was taught in this video, but I'm also going to be implementing what was learned in the video. So I'm going to be hitting the sign up now. For you guys that probably don't have a TikTok account, so you can use the phone or email or Facebook or Google. So because I have a TikTok account, I'm just going to be logging in here and logging in with Google. Finally guys, though TikTok web version was a bit rough for me, but thank God I survived. So what's up guys, I'm in, and all you have to do is to hit this share link and click the copy link, and after that guys, I'll advise you to hit this name here, sorry, this one over here. So this, copy the link text also. So we'll be heading over to snaptic.com now, Snaptic, so you can see it here, and this is it. So we'll be pasting the link here now, sorry, the other link. So it's loading, and all we have to do is to download. And so guys, I'm in YouTube now. I just created this channel, so I'm going to be hitting the plus button in order to create a short. It's processing the video. So guys, it's selected the first 15 seconds of the video, and I'm going to be hitting the next. So I'm just going to be creating a caption like ambushed. Then I'm going to be posting the name of the creator. This is it, we copied it earlier. So I'm just going to be closing ambush by. That's all we have to do. So guys, the video has been uploaded, and just like you can see, it already has 3 views now. So I'm going to be clicking it. So this is the video, guys, and guys, this is the channel I just created, and I'm also going to be implementing what Nick said, and I'm going to be posting at least 2 to 3 videos every day, so you can do it to check this channel also.
Now, how do you actually monetize YouTube Shorts channels? How do you actually make money? What is the brand new YouTube Shorts monetization method? Well, here it is. If you go to the community tab of these videos, you're going to be able to see that they are posting sponsored posts on all of them. Every single day they have a new sponsor post. They're promoting some links, they're promoting someone else's channels, they're promoting some products and some services and whatnot. And basically other people are paying them to post this. So they're charging hundreds of dollars per community post. And another channel that is doing that is, I think, this one as well. If you go to the community tab, you can also see that they're posting like sponsorships for different apps, for different videos, for different channels. And basically, that's how they are making money. They're not making money from ad revenue. They're probably making just a couple of dollars from ad revenue, but they're making a ton of money from community posts. Because if they're charging $500 for a community post, which is reasonable for a channel that is getting hundreds of millions of views, it's reasonable to charge 500 bucks or even a lot more. That would be over $15,000 a month they're making just from community posts. Or this channel that is even bigger because they got 1 million subscribers, they can charge like $1,000 or $2,000 or $3,000 per community post, and they're posting community posts every single day. And if they're charging $2,000, that's $60,000 a month just from those sponsorships, just from those brand deals.
And so guys, that's how we're going to be making money implementing this strategy. And so sorry guys, this strategy is going to be a long-term strategy. It's going to take a lot of time.
It obviously takes a lot of time. Like it took them a year to start getting a lot of views.
But nevertheless, with consistency and hope, we can get the results that channels like viral blogs are getting.
Stay patient, start doing that for like a month, 2 months, or 3 months, and after some time it can definitely pay off, because you can start charging a lot of money from those for those sponsored posts. Now, it's insane how this can actually end up working for someone. And to get those sponsored deals, you just have to leave your email address in the about section. So as you can see, they left their email address over here, and so those brands are gonna see their channel and they're gonna reach out to them. And I know this works because this is what I'm personally doing for my faceless YouTube automation channels as well. So that's how they're actually monetizing the content. So you can just copy and paste videos from TikTok, post them onto your YouTube channel, start getting a lot of views, because those videos have a potential to go viral.
So that's all guys. If you have any problem implementing any step mentioned in this video, click the link in the description below. I'll be there to help you in any way I can. And also please guys, click the like and the subscribe button, and also the video that's going to be popping up now, I'll be there to show you how I make money online. So I'll be expecting you there guys.